And there is a rift that seems to be growing between Karnataka's Congress strongman DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah over the Mysore mayor elections. Siddaramaiah is unhappy that JDS has got the mayor post and not Congress. Siddaramaiah is from Mysore district and it's a setback for him as he had no say in the post of the mayor. In deciding that, he's blamed DK Shivkumar for the development. So there is a bit of a discomfort and infighting also within the Congress in the state of Karnataka, where former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is unhappy over a couple of developments, and this has got to do with the appointment of the mayor, a post that the JDS, their alliance partner, has bagged. Nolan is getting us more details. Nolan, what exactly happened here? Siddaramaiah is unhappy because he himself is from Mysore also, isn't it?
Well, the issue over here is Siddaramaiah versus DK Shivkumar. It has been happening ever since DK Shivkumar became the KPCC president. It looks like they both can't work together. Now, what is happening in Mysuru is this. Now, even though the BJP, this is what our sources tell us, they actually worked very hard. They managed to get about 65 seats, that is corporator seats, plus their 3 of their representatives. They needed a few extra seats, numbers basically, to get the mayor post. Now, what really happened is this. Siddaramaiah did not want to go with the JDS. His thing was, we would go along with them only if the Congress gets the mayor's post. But what we are told is that when senior leaders in Mysuru understood that nothing is happening, they reached out to DK Shivkumar. Then DK Shivkumar gave them the go-ahead. Basically, these leaders behind Siddaramaiah's back to have discussions or parleys with the JDS. And we are told that they struck a deal, that is, these leaders in the Congress, with the permission of DK Shivkumar, struck a deal with the JDS just minutes or maybe about 15 minutes before the mayoral election. And as of now, this is what is happening. Because of this, Siddaramaiah has now complained to the High Command and senior leaders have visited DK Shivkumar. So what our sources tell us, if the Congress has a chance in Karnataka, but if this fight between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah goes on, it will be the BJP gaining in the end.